Jay-Z could cheat on Beyonce.
Who didn't cheat on? He didn't cheat on her. I've seen a girl that one girl came to cook soup for the boyfriend. It was another girl that came to warm the soup the next day.
An African mother once told me that you need to find a man, someone that will make you his missus and put that ring on your finger, someone who would love you for who you truly were. So I started to search how to find a good man, how to be more feminine and attractive. Nothing. I'm still sad and single. I went back to her and then she said to me, these are the rules you have to follow. The way to a man's heart is through his belly. I'm pretty sure she meant his stomach. So I set out on a mission to make my man the best meal. I even crossed puddles, bought some leaves, plantains, grounded some melon seeds, bought the best peppers in the market, and also a lot of onions. I was determined to make him proud. I bought some fish, some cow skin. I went back home. I washed my meat. I got ready to do my meal prep. I was on a mission, you see, to make him the best meal on the planet. Blended my peppers and onions. I made my soup. It was ready and it tasted so good. I made cheese dodo, peppered chicken. I also made fried rice. I went to his apartment, did some laundry. In addition to mine, I added his. I said, you know what? I need to show him that I'm a wife material, to make sure that all his clothes are squeaky clean. I tidied up his apartment. I took the broom and the mops and I swept everything. I asked him, what kind of woman do you like?
Guys like natural.
He said he prefers a woman with a natural look. So I chopped off my hair. Still nothing. I was still sad. Wait. Rewind. So you mean I did all of that? Still no ring on my finger? I'm still single? He still didn't ask me to marry him? He still didn't ask me to be his wife? Oh my god, something must be wrong, so let's ask him. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? And welcome.
It's like, as if,
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have a very interesting conversation. You guys, I'm going to be talking about something that I feel like we need to talk about. Yeah. So you watch all these videos on the internet where they're like how to keep a man, what to do to make a man stay, why he won't commit, why this, why that. And they'll be giving you all this like really primitive advice, if I must say.
It's not primitive.
This really primitive advice. Like for instance, okay, Casey is here. I called him to this video to shade him. They'll tell you all the whole, you need to cook for the man.
Way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Peter Doji, 1958.
They'll tell you all the whole, you need to cook for the man. That is how they commit to you.
That's how
you keep a hold.
That's how
you're a woman. I've been watching videos on the internet where they like how to keep a man, how to be more feminine, cross your legs when you sit down, wear feminine clothes.
Don't wear revealing clothes. Don't dress like a man.
And people were commenting on that video. One man was like,
I'm not about to commit to a woman who is in a competition to be a better man than me.
Shot fired.
I was like,
that man is wicked.
They finished us.
That escalated so.
Finished us. And after doing all those things, after slaving away, literal slavery,
it's not slavery.
He still did not commit. So I was like, you know what? I feel like all those things that they say, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. I've seen men that their women cook like Michelin star restaurant chefs. I've seen men that their women are World Bank MDs and leading, like their women are high power women. If Jay-Z could cheat on Beyonce.
It was not who
he
didn't cheat on her.
Are you inside their marriage?
That news was not verified.
It was not unverified.
It was not verified.
About it.
No,
and Jay-Z has actually spoken up about it. Okay, fine. Let us leave Beyonce and Jay-Z. Let's see the one that is verified.
They have made it in.
Brad Pitt cheated on Jennifer Aniston. Your typical sweet home girl, homebody, homemaker, everything. What kind of six packs do you want to have? What implants do you want to do on your breast? How many food do you want to cook? You can literally hang yourself upside down in bed for them to explore all their wildness. You can literally clean the house that the floor will be looking like a mirror. You will see your face inside. Your teeth will be shining when you look at it. My dear, those are not the things, in my personal opinion. I know African.
What are the things that
wait,
matter? Okay.
I know that African aunts all over the world already hate me for this video, but I'm sorry to say, it's not cooking, cleaning, slavery.
It's not slavery. Anything you do out of love is not slavery. It's love.
That is not
the love that pushes you from the inside of
That's
your
not the point.
stomach. So,
Casey, let's agree that it's not by all those things. I went to
no,
the market. I was sweating that
part
day.
Of it.
I made food. I was in the kitchen. Oh
relax
God,
now. Now, can't you cook for somebody you love?
I can do it, but not as a criteria for him to commit to me.
It's part
or for
of
him
it.
to be a good husband to me.
Okay, what is your criteria for committing to a man? What do you look out for in a man to commit to him?
I look for a loyal person, caring, God-fearing, someone who is attentive to my needs, someone who's going to be a good father to my kids.
You have not said the important ones.
Which is what?
Continue.
That's all.
That's all.
Yes.
Not a man that will be able to provide for you.
In today's age, you guys are going to watch another video. Yes,
wait,
provide for me,
relax,
but you're not paying for my services.
You are flying. Hashtag feminist. Hashtag woman power. Hashtag they will fight for us. Relax. As a woman, not that you can't provide for yourself, but a man that will be able to provide for you.
Is that your only role as a man, to be a provider?
It's part of it. All those
provider.
other things you mentioned are still part of the criteria you look at for
you make me feel that the things I do are the services I need to render.
It's not said. Wait, when you put it that way, it will look transactional. I'm saying you've met all those things you're mentioning are part of it, but this one is also part of it.
In today's world, everybody provides for themselves.
No, you can't.
So it's no longer a catch. It's no longer something that we needed to we need men for, like those old generations.
It's not about old
which is something I mentioned in another video that you guys are going to see.
No,
it's not about those
things.
things.
It's not about old generation.
It's about what? The only thing we still said Kingsley is provide.
No, because you've mentioned the other criteria which are valid.
That's loyal,
caring, a good husband. Someone who is
and men. The most important thing is to focus on yourself. Focus on your purpose. Focus on building your life. Focus on being a better person than you were yesterday. Focus on achieving your dreams.
Can I ask you a question?
And the last one, focus on being independent. So when the person you're praying for appears, you will be a worthy partner to that person. When you kneel down to pray and say, God, I want this, and that. And I don't have a problem when you say, God, I want a man who is rich, who provides for me all the time. I don't have to lift a finger. It's your own personal, it's what you want, it's your preference. But at the same time, are you that person that you're praying for? As you are praying, God, I want a man that's going to buy me 100,000 Brazilian hair. Can your pockets afford it? Are you working towards being a person that can afford those things for yourself? Because that's where you now see that they will now make it a transaction, as Casey said. They'll not make it transaction now.
When I want to provide, you now cut me off. That's the thing. So okay, this is what I'm saying. See, when it comes to marriage, there's nothing as independent again. Do you get what I'm saying? You guys have to be dependent on each other.
You have to be codependent, but you still have to maintain your independence.
No,
I'm not speaking specifically of marriage. I'm speaking of relationship and why men
if it's relationship, no problem. You guys are not married yet. You have to be independent.
Yeah, but getting him to commit.
No, yeah, like what you said there, like the cooking part. Cooking for someone you love should not be work for you.
But why is it that is the criteria for being wife material in Africa?
No, because it's what.
And why is it that after you do all those things, they still don't commit?
God help me. See, this is it. It's part of the African culture. This is how we were taught. This is what you grew up knowing. Like, there was one time we had a discussion. Like, all my life, I grew up seeing the women do the domestic work.
Yeah.
By the time you grow now, you now start saying that.
You see that things have changed.
You understand? So how do we adjust?
Now,
how do we adjust to the changing
world? Why you're
world?
uncomfortable when I say man equals kitchen?
It concerns you. Like, we have to understand that point that things are changing. You have to unlearn. Okay, how do we live better? Do I need to assist my wife in doing something?
Why are you saying assist?
Wait now, finish. If I'm also doing some things, can she like assist me to why
So
I'm
it goes
using
both ways.
yes, that's what I'm saying.
But you
It
have still
goes
not
both
told
ways.
us what makes men really commit, because I've seen
What?
women
Wait,
that are
what?
Michelin star
Wait
chefs
now,
in the home.
wait
and
now.
the man is still outside eating, buying Indomie
Wait.
on the roadside
Wait
with
now.
his side chick,
Wait
or
now.
ordering from restaurant
Wait
with his
now.
side chick.
Wait now.
Meanwhile, they'll say you have to cook
Relax
and do Jackie
now.
Chan in the bed.
Wait now.
Oh yeah,
Relax.
tell me.
People who gave those analyses was as a result of their past experiences, and as time changed and innovation changed and things are changing, we are in
a different century, a different generation.
We've discovered that those things don't really matter.
So what matters? What actually matters to a
It
man
boils down.
to make him
Wait
commit
now.
and stay faithful?
Wait now. It boils down to the individual. You understand? Your decision you have made that I want to be faithful.
So committing is a decision.
Committing is a decision.
So it's
a
not
choice.
about what the girl
It's
does.
not about what you do, how you go, do. It doesn't matter. It's a decision, it's a choice. I'm sounding like a preacher now. Come on now.
Preach!
Let me preach.
I want us to be on the same side.
Like, it's a decision. You have made that, you have come to the conclusion, this is the person I'm committed to with my life.
So despite
with my
what
body.
she... Okay, so
despite,
I have one question.
Yeah.
What about guys that they have girls doing those things for them and they know that they are not going to commit to those things? So why are they still allowing the girls to deceive themselves, thinking that this African way of doing it is what is going to keep the man?
my dear sister, wickedness comes in different. It's a decision. You understand?
Girls, can you hear?
It's a decision.
I always tell you
It's
to have sense.
It's a choice. Buy sense. You understand?
Don't buy, just have it.
I've seen a girl that one girl came to cook soup for the boyfriend. It was another girl that came to warm the soup the next day. You understand?
So who did he end up with?
None of them. That's it.
Wow.
You can I've seen some girls wash jeans. If you see her hand,
Or wash toilet, you can't scrub.
if she buys recharge card, she doesn't need something to scratch. She just
Get
sits
out.
around like this. She wash jeans,
Oh,
still.
scrub toilet, they still not.
Wash toilet and singing praise and worship today is the guy still broke. So it's about decision. You will see that same guy.
So the guy has to be ready.
The person the guy will marry is the direct opposite of someone doing that.
Exactly.
You understand? So it's a choice, it's a decision.
It's usually the direct opposite of what they say they want. Like a guy will tell you, I want someone who is light skinned and short as my life partner.
Yeah.
And then when they eventually get married, to be someone tall and dark skinned, you'll be like,
Like some guys will say, my wife will be tall, 6 foot.
yeah.
When you see her, the wife now,
Midget.
no, it's like the younger sister.
Or they'll be like, my wife has to know how to really cook because I love it. Which I have a problem with, but that's by the way.
So-
they'll not marry a girl
No.
that they always order food.
Do you consider cooking a bad thing?
It's not a bad thing, but it's not a prerequisite to being a good wife. The kitchen has food, anybody can make it.
Relax. It's not.
But you guys will see more of
now.
this in another video.
It's not-
Hey!
The thing is, it's a choice. Once a guy decides, he has made his decision. The girl might not know how to cook, know how to do anything, but the guy knows that this is the person I want to end up with and everything.
So commitment is a choice.
Commitment
basically.
is a choice,
And
basically.
it has nothing to do with like what she does.
It doesn't have to do with her abilities to do things.
Those things. It's
Yeah.
more of who she is.
Who
and
she is as a
when
person.
he's ready.
And when he's ready, and
then the choice he now makes to commit to that,
for that
particular
person. And because once you have a
teachable
good spirit,
yeah.
you can learn things.
You can live with anybody.
You can live with anybody.
Yeah, you're right.
That's it.
Have you girls ahead? If I preach it, they'll say she's claiming feminist, she's joining feminists on Twitter, she's coming woke generation.
It's not.
They'll say you should say,
It's a choice.
that.
But cooking, I don't see cooking for someone you love as a problem.
So will you be the
that's
one
a
cooking when we
topic.
get married?
That's a topic.
Will you be the one cooking when we get married?
You know the answer to that question.
I don't know the answer.
Yes. Ta-da-da-da-da. You know the answer to that question.
That means you won't be cooking.
It's a family decision.
Whatever, Casey.
What's your problem with cooking?
Whatever.
No,
I feel like cooking is a waste of time. You spend 8 hours, 2 of those hours in the market.
Let me ask you.
6 hours cooking, food that will finish in 30 minutes. Why? I could be using that 6 hours to edit a video, to make money, to do something productive in my life. And I'll sweat.
Can you use that 6 hours to cook for yourself?
No, hell no.
You can't use it to cook.
I rather use to make money that I can use
Can
for
you
other
use
food.
it to cook for your children?
Yeah, not 6 hours, man.
No,
1
can
hour,
you cook
Serilac.
Can you cook for your children?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen,
Good night.
on that note, keep watching
Get out.
the atmosphere of family life.
Tell me, are you? Doesn't even sound nice at all.
My feminine side is coming out. You like it?
When when I say Casey is problematic, people will be taking his side in the comment section. Team Casey, can you see?
So, ladies and gentlemen, we learn every day. So,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's not by cooking. It's not by.
It's just a choice.
Yeah.
And once a guy makes that choice, he's not listening to anybody and everything. You see a guy, they'll tell you, don't marry that girl. Look, that girl
doesn't know how to cook. Yeah.
Like, what the hell is that?
Alright, guys, let us know if you have questions on this topic. If you enjoyed the conversation and you learned from it, we love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much.
Watch and share.
1K subscribers.
Yeah.
You know, we love you guys so much.
We're going to celebrate it and
if you
pop
haven't
champagne.
subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Click the bell button beside the subscription so you get notified of every post. Like this video. Comment below, let us know what you guys think, and share to your friends, most important.
Because we're going to
love you guys, and see, we're going to do virtual party or we hate one.
Most definitely.
See you guys in the next video. What is wrong with you?
Hey.
When will you ever be serious?
5. No more. We ended up using